In our last lecture, we have seen this numerical. Now I will take this one. Okay. Now see here, a certain machine has a velocity ratio 20. Again, start with the given data. Okay. First given is what? Velocity ratio. Velocity ratio is equal to 20. If the load of 100 Newton is lifted, load means again W is a lift is what? 100 Newton is lifted by an effort. Efforts means again P of 25 Newton. Okay. Find the mechanical advantage. What is the mechanical advantage? And second one is what? Efficiency. Eta is to what? Like this way, you have to write your given data. Now, first of all, we want to find out what is the mechanical. We know that the formula of mechanical advantage is load to be lifted divided by efforts required to lift the load. Okay, which is equal to, obviously load is given 100 Newton, write down over here 100 divided by efforts is also given, that is 25, then answer is 4, right? This is the mechanical advantage. Here obviously you can use the calculator for doing the calculations, right? It's a very easy calculation, that's why I have written mechanical advantage and the velocity ratio both have no unit, remember always. Okay, now second thing I want to find out efficiency. If I have velocity ratio and the mechanical advantage, then I can use the formula of efficiency. Efficiency is a formula यूज करू शकतो जर आपल्याला मेकॅनिकल ॲडव्हांटेज आणि वेलोसिटी रेशो माहित असेल तर we can use the formula of efficiency in terms of mechanical advantage and velocity ratio as obviously mechanical advantage divided by velocity ratio into 100. Put the values. Eta is equal to mechanical advantage is we have found, that is 4. Velocity ratio is given, that is 20 into 100. 0 get cancelled, 2 to 4. So become efficiency is equal to 20%. See how much easy numerical is, and it is for the 4 marks, not a joke, right? So you have to concentrate on the numericals, right? Now we move further for the next numerical. Now this is the numerical. Now again we have to start with what? Given, right? So given data is this one. See, a certain machine has an efficiency of 48. Means what is given? Efficiency is given is 48. Next, the velocity ratio of machine is given. It is again 20. Velocity ratio is equal to 20. Velocity ratio has no unit. Find the efforts required to lift a load. Find the efforts means P is equal to required to lift a load. Load means lift. Which is given what? 2 kilo Newton using the machine. Using this machine. Now we want to find out the obviously efforts required. See the given data carefully. You will come to know that velocity ratio is given, efficiency is given, and we want to find out the efforts load is given. Now we know that in the formula of mechanical advantage, we have the efforts, and we know the formula of efficiency in terms of mechanical advantage and velocity. तर इथं नीट लक्ष द्या. इथं आपल्याला दिलंय काय आणि आपल्याला फाइंड आउट काय. आपल्याला फाइंड आउट करायचं आहे बघा एफर्ट्स फाइंड आउट करायचं आहे. तर एफर्ट्स हे कोणाच्या फॉर्म्युल्यामध्ये आहेत तर मेकॅनिकल ॲडव्हान्टेजच्या फॉर्म्युल्यामध्ये. बघा मेकॅनिकल ॲडव्हान्टेजचा फॉर्म्युला जो आहे W मीन्स लोड डिवायडेड बाय एफर्ट्स. याच्यामध्ये एफर्ट्स आहेत राईट. हे आपल्याला फाइंड आउट करायचं. आता राहिला मेकॅनिकल ॲडव्हान्टेज फाइंड आउट करायचं आहे. तर हा मेकॅनिकल ॲडव्हान्टेज ऑब्विसली कोणाच्या फॉर्म्युल्यामध्ये आहे तर याच्यावरती जर नीट पाहिलं तर इफिशियन्सीच्या फॉर्म्युल्यामध्ये मेकॅनिकल ॲडव्हान्टेज म्हणजेच काय मेकॅनिकल ॲडव्हान्टेज डिवायडेड बाय व्हेलॉसिटी रेशो इंटू 100. म्हणजे इथं मी मेकॅनिकल ॲडव्हान्टेज फाइंड आउट करू शकतो. हा मेकॅनिकल ॲडव्हान्टेज इथं पुटअप करू शकतो आणि ऑलरेडी इथं लोड नोन आहे. एफर्ट्स मला भेटतील. ओके. Like this way you need to find out the efforts required to lift the procedure. You should know how to utilize the formula. Okay, now we will start now. Then obviously we will start with what? Efficiency. Okay, why we are starting with the efficiency you should know. Okay, efficiency we know. Just a minute. We know what we know. Formula of efficiency in terms of what? Mechanical advantage and velocity ratio into efficiency is given what? 48 is equal to what? Mechanical advantage divided by velocity ratio is given 20 into 100. Right. Now this 0 get cancel. 2 fifths obviously 10 we know that mechanical advantage is equal to 48 divided by 5. Now we know that what is the mechanical advantage. It is the load to be lifted divided by efforts to apply to lift the load. Okay, W by P is equal to what? 48. I know the W means obviously I know the load to be lifted is 2 kilo Newton. Okay, that is the 2 kilo Newton. Now take this, put the value of this load is 2 divided by what? P, which I need to find out, and 48 by 5. Okay, then obviously I can find the efforts by using this, right? Now see here, now I can make the calculations like this way. P is equal to 2 into 5 divided by what? 48. And now you can solve it on the calci. Okay, now can obviously get this answer by using the calculator. That is, just a minute, I will make the calculations. Is 2 into 5 divided by 8 is 0.208. Answer is what? Answer is 0.20833 kilo Newton. And if you make it is in Newton, then it will become 208.33 ton. Means we have multiplied by 1000. Okay, then you will get 208.33 Newton. Clear? Okay, if you don't want to multiply by again 1000 and make into the Newton, then you can make over here itself, it is in a Newton only. Okay, means what? W is equal to 2000 Newton. Okay, and this value you can use over here. Okay, like this way. So clear? And then obviously here also, okay, here also you can use is 2000 into 5. Okay, then not necessary to write this, directly you can get the answer in terms of Newton, right? Okay, like this way you can solve. Now again, one more numerical we are going to solve. See here, start with the again given data. Right. The velocity ratio of certain machine is given. That is, velocity ratio is equal to what? T. Next, determine the efforts required. Means what? I want to find out P. Required to lift the load. Again, load is given. W, that is 1500 Newton. If the efficiency of machine is T, same numerical as that of previous. Start with the efficiency, right? Mechanical advantage divided by T ratio into 100. Efficiency is given 40, which is equal to mechanical advantage divided by T ratio into 100. Okay, velocity ratio is already given, then put the value. Okay, here you can put the value as a 50. Now 50, 100, mechanical advantage is equal to 40 divided by 2. That is again mechanical advantage is equal to 20. Now next thing, we need to put this mechanical advantage formula, that is load to be lifted divided by efforts required to lift the load into, sorry, is equal to now 20. Again load is given, then I want to find out P. P is equal to W divided by 20, which is equal to 1500 divided by 20. Again 0 cancel, and it become P is equal to 75. Obviously it is in Newton. Okay, like this way you can find out the answer. Okay, all of you, please prepare this numerical carefully, because If you got the answer right, you will get the directly 4 marks, and 101% there will be one numerical based on this concept. Okay, best of luck all of you.